How to sign up for a DeepSeek AI account. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in DeepSeek and then search for it. Navigate to the very first one website option, deepseek.com. You will be directed to the DeepSeek platform page. Click on the option of sign up. Now provide these details, email address, password. After you fill it, click on send code. With that, you will be receiving code in the email address that you have just entered. Check your mail and then type in the code. Then check in for the option I confirm that I have read, consent and agree to DeepSeek's terms of use and privacy policy. Then click on sign up. Just with that, you have been registered on this platform. Now click on the option of chat for free. Here, provide the credential, phone number or the email address and the password that you have just used to create your account. After you type in, click on login. With that, you will be logged into DeepSeek account. So this way you are able to sign up for a DeepSeek AI account. If this guide helped you, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.